Okay, we are back on live. Oh my goodness, what's going on with my computer? Okay, we're back on live. And can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr. Washington had asked to go into a breakout room with his client, which is Dominique Green, after the court gave the dates. Mr. Washington has now come back out. Well, let me do this. Recalling case 21002289-01. Appearances, please. Oh, wait a minute. We need the prosecutor. You had a number for Ms. Nuccio.
I can't even pull her up.
Well, I guess I don't really need her. She just, all right. Mr. Washington has just indicated to the court that after being in the breakout room with Ms. Green is asking for a new attorney. Is that correct, Ms. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And what's the reason for the new attorney, Ms. Green?
I feel like since the very beginning, I have not been advised properly. I did not want to waive my preliminary exam. I repeatedly said this to him multiple times at the courthouse, in the hallway. We walked into the courtroom. He brought me back out into the hallway, said it again, said, this is the best thing I think you should do. We walked back in the courtroom. And yes, I did say I did want to do that on the stand, but that's because I was not properly advised. And I feel like the communication wasn't there. I wanted more advice. I didn't really understand what was going on. I've never been in trouble in my life. I don't really understand anything that's going on. So I asked him to explain that, but we were kind of squished with time. And I felt like I was rushed and convinced into a decision I did not want to make.
Okay. All right. Who's house counsel? Is that Ms. Mitchell?
She didn't have a house counsel. She was
Just staying on. But this has to go to court administration for an appointment.
yes.
Okay. All right. Well, unless you have an objection, Mr. Washington, I will remove you from the case.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Washington is removed from your case, Ms. Green, but we have to get you a new attorney, so we're gonna have to make a request, because we used to be able to just appoint attorneys, but the courts are not able to do that anymore. We have to go through a central system. So I'm gonna give you a new date, and on that date, you'll have an opportunity to meet who your new attorney will be, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, your new date. Thank you, Mr. Washington.
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
All right. Your new date will be, what's the quickest squeeze? Anything at the very beginning of August? Either the 4th or the 6th?
August.
I mean, we got on the 4th.
It's 24. On the 6th, it's only 21.
Okay, let's do the 6th. Okay, so Ms. Green, we'll be back on August the 6th. And at that time, we'll have a new attorney for you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let me hang up, so I can put a note in there and I'll know. You can hang up.
Okay, I got it.